Auto stock, which has seen a sharp uptrend in the last week, and that's been Escorts. ET-Now's Deepshika Ghosh caught up exclusively with the company's CFO Bharat Madan, who spoke about the impact of monsoon and adds that the tractor manufacturer is bullish on railway segment for the next stage of growth for them.
We already given a guidance for this year, so we expect the industry to grow double-digit, closer to double-digit, so somewhere between 9 to 11% growth is possible. And this is the third year in succession we are seeing the growth coming in, so already the base of the industry is pretty high. So we expect, I think the monsoon spread out to the distribution pattern remains pretty good across the India, across various climatic regions. So the industry can even throw better numbers.
So you said that there is a lot of potential in the Indian market in terms of collaborations on the railway side. So if you can give us a little bit of insight as to how, on what kind of collaboration we need and what is the need of the hour in the railway side and what can we provide in terms of supply or in terms of, infra or tech to the railway side, if you can give us some insight on that, sir.
So in railway system, essentially Escorts has been supplying to Indian Railways now for last almost 40-50 years. So we have been essentially a major player in the suspension systems and in the braking systems to Indian Railways. So right now the company has a capability to really be into the mechanical parts, and we are looking at expanding our product portfolio. So going to the electrical categories, going to electromechanical brake, going to the air conditioning systems, going to propulsion systems. So we think Indian Railways is now expanding quite a bit. So a lot of investment is going to come from the government side on that. And that's a very good opportunity for a company like us in India, really, especially with the government push to Indian companies for the Make in India story, and that holds very good potential for companies like us to expand into this area. So we are looking at some options, both organically as well as inorganically, to really grow into this segment further.
Right. So price hikes is something that a lot of companies are struggling with right now, with the commodity markets being as volatile as they are. A lot of prices are being passed on to the consumers. So how is Escorts grappling with this, and how do we see this normalizing in the upcoming quarters, sir?
Well, yes, I think we have faced inflation pressure for the last 15 months now, and we expect this trend probably will continue this year too. So far, we've been able to pass on all the cost increases which happened till Q4 of last year to the market. This quarter also, the company had taken some price increase, and we expect the trend probably will continue. So some lag is still there. We normally have a tendency to pass it on with a lag of about a quarter. So we'll probably see another price increase happening again next quarter. And hopefully, I think if the industry really continues to pass on the price increases, so I think we'll also follow them.
So we'd just like a little bit of an estimate in terms of numbers. What are we looking at in terms of top line, bottom line, and what kind of 2022 target are we looking at for Escorts, sir?
Well, if we already given a guidance, so we're looking at really 2.5 times growth happening on the top line side. And yeah, so on the railway side, we're looking at 4 times growth, on the construction 3 times growth, and the tractor business, which will be about 2.5 times growth. So we are very much on target. Let's see, I think the things really do well. So all the sectors are doing well as of now for us. So we are very bullish as of now.